The secret to keeping pests away is planting lavender in your home garden. The first reason is that it's a natural pest repellent, meaning that it basically repels, gets pests away from your area. So it has a very strong smell that confuses a lot of our pests. So in this area, as you can see, we have our cabbages, we have onions. You'll see our little onion there. And we have a lot of greens, as you can see. And so this actually ensures that we don't use chemicals. Another reason is the beauty of it. So obviously it has a beautiful pop of color when it's ready, and so it really adds quite a beautiful, relaxing image into an area that's often quite green, as you can imagine. So it really smells great and adds a little bit of beauty into our home garden. You can definitely um, pair this up with thyme and rosemary. Another obvious thing is that it's really low maintenance, which is also nice if you do put thyme and rosemary in this area as well. It doesn't need a lot of care. So basically, it doesn't demand like a lot of watering or specific soil. So it's quite nice. Obviously, quite cute is a multi-purpose harvest. So once we take it out, we can add some lavender into our tea. You can add it for oils, as we often do. So yeah, just one plant has so many uses apart from deterring pests. We can also then use it when we harvest. A really nice thing, the purple attracts pollinators, which is so important. Obviously, depending on the season that you're in, that you really want to bring pollinators into the area that kind of help like your cucumbers and your squash grow really big and really great harvest.